Okay, here we go. Oh my god! That was so far! Well, look what we have here. I just flew into Florida. I did 2 red-eye flights. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Just picked up the FD just off the trailer. The same bag sensor that keeps blowing up exploded on the way here. So my bags aren't working. I need to try and fix that today. And it's about to start raining, it looks like, and I don't have windshield wipers on this car because I still have never put them in because we live in San Diego and it doesn't rain. So long story short, I mainly have to make sure these bags are at the right height, and we're gonna head over to Adam's house. Maybe take a nap or do something. I have no idea. But it is good to have the FD back in the hands, boys. I really wish I had windshield wipers right about now. We're like 10 minutes away from his house, I think, so we should be okay. It looks a lot less sketchy on camera, but driving in an unfamiliar place, knowing my bag sensor is fucked up again, and it's about to start pouring. It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's not fine. I'm freaking out. Alright, I made it safe and sound to Adam's house. If you haven't already, just hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna watch Game of Thrones because I downloaded that to my computer. While I'm waiting for the day to start going and everyone to start waking up, I got some Game of Thrones to watch, boy. We're on the way to Adam's shop right now, and we're noticing a leak coming from the front right of the car, and we noticed that it was coming from the oil cooler. I don't know what happened. We're gonna have to diagnose it at the shop. Hopefully it's a simple fix. It looks like it could just be an AN line that's become loose, but fingers crossed, this is not our morning. Definitely off to a rough start. Friends, you owe me a 2-step battle. Damn, that's some motion auto TV spec, boy. Look at that, that's disgusting. I've never had an issue with this car, and I take it to fucking Florida, and it decides to start pissing oil everywhere. So we had an issue when the car was being trailered here, when they went through like Colorado or one of the really cold states. I had the car, as you guys saw, had the car aired up all the way, and they said as I went through really cold states, the air released from the bag, so it's the temperature difference, and the tow strap actually got caught underneath this bumper and nicked it and like spider cracked everything under here, but we think that's what must have pushed up on this fitting because both of these fittings are loose. It's good that it's a simple fix, but it kind of sucks. Air to oil ratio.
Now the cold weather messed it up. Because the air went down and then the oil went down with it. Oh. So I guess the air to oil ratio stayed constant.
Yeah, all the way through.
Did you break your bag thing too? Again?
Yeah, I exploded it. This is literally exploded. Hashtag Alberto spec just going ham for me. Thanks, Alberto.
You need to put battery in yours.
I heard you've been dying to work on an FD, so I thought I would just give you the honor of tightening some AN lines.
There you go. By the way, tightening your lug nuts. All of your lug nuts are loose.
They weren't loose.
Where is it?
Alberto just doesn't think they're tight enough. We're gonna move the FD on the lift where the S15 is. This thing is literally just pissing everywhere. Found out the fitting is actually fucked in general. The strap must have like pulled and stripped the thread. So it almost looks like rather than the straps taking out the bumper, the straps took out the oil cooler and ripped the threads off. So if need be, Adam has a spare oil cooler at home and we'll go home and grab and switch out. Or Alberto's like, I can just weld the fitting, which at this point might make more sense. We'll find out.
Just make you clean up your mess, dude.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Just pissing all over Adam's shop, literally.
The memes in your car's on the lift.
Dude, look at it. It's still just creating another blood puddle. I've never had an issue, and I come here, of course. Yeah, dude, it's actually a piece of shit. Like, it sucks. It's almost as shitty as your S15. It's almost as shitty. We just fixed the height sensor back at home, and I was like, yeah, there's a small crack, it should be fine. Well, again, my guess is that in the temperature driving over here, it got so cold it just got brittle and completely snapped. I don't know if AccuAir can overnight this over. Like, I can still drive the car without a height sensor, it's fine. But ideally, we'd like to have it. So I think I'm gonna try to super glue it with something at the least. We got cucked on that too. Not having the best of luck this morning. All right, so the tricky thing is not to get the little joint stuck in glue. Try to keep it just on the edges here. Okay, That's it. Gonna try to like spin this Heim joint every couple minutes, make sure it doesn't dry. That looks pretty good. Shout out to Adam. He had a spare oil cooler sitting at home, so we're gonna be taking this. It's dash 10, so we have all the fittings for it. It's nearly the same thing. We're gonna be able to use these side mounting brackets that I had on the car, and then I think we'll probably have Alberto like cut this off and try and weld on here or something, because we do utilize this as well for our brackets. So we should be able to fix this. Alberto's trying to get his car ready for the show because he wants to do two-step comp with all of us. So this should be a quick fix. Update on this height sensor. I fixed it. The glue actually did a pretty good job, and I've been like moving this joint non-stop for the last like 45 minutes, and it's completely free. So I think we actually might have fixed it, or it will hold up enough while we're here. And if it breaks on the way home, it's fine because AccuWare is sending us new parts. But hey, that's good news. It's still a little bit short and isn't 100% perfect, but it's definitely much better than it was when we got here. And Alberto just went ham and got this oil cooler up and fixed. So huge thank you, Alberto. I appreciate it. I'm gonna link his channel down below. So if you haven't already subscribed to Alberto, I expect you to do that right now and go comment, say thank you for helping out TJ so his car wasn't ripperinoed while in Florida. So all in all, everything looks to be clearing up. And now the next thing we have to do is just clean this car up, get all the oil off the side of the car, and we should be back in action. Oil change complete, new oil cooler on. It's not leaking, it's not dripping. Now the car just needs a wash and we should be ready to go for tomorrow. Matt, you deserve some love. I'm gonna put his Instagram, so you guys go follow his Instagram. He literally did the most insane clean job I've ever seen on this car ever. I've never seen the wheels this shiny before. And I'm sure like the camera doesn't do it justice, but
Give me battery, teach.
I give us 20 minutes till it's broke.
Yes, I give it 15.
I just thought I would sneak away here and put some final touches on this car here to make sure it's official. Oh, now it's real fast. I kind of just covered this hole, so I'm gonna have to open that up, but some go fast mods. Well, what a bachelor pad, having a skate ramp in your backyard. Man, if it was not flooded, I'd be out here on the skateboard, trying to do some kick flips and some tray flips. So the idea was to get one of the RC cars and launch it off the ramp. Needless to say, I'm excited for this. Show me what she's got, son.
Zero control.
Zero control. I always want to see you launch it. Rip. Oh! Oh my God. Just launched it into Jimmy.
I'm happy I was a human shield.
You just guarded my life.
Right, here we go.
Oh my God. That went so far. Wait, I'm actually so good. Whoa.
Where you going, boy?
This is a good spot.
I didn't know this existed over here.
Should we come from the mega ramp and go that way, or should we?
I think this way is going pretty good. Hey, it landed. TJ, we need more height.
Get up here.
Oh, it landed.
Adam! Oh my God! Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's just aim for me. And you broke it. That's what you get.
I swear, my first one, I jumped off 5 million things and never had an issue.
You literally just destroyed it.
Look at it.
Yeah, well, we'll just part the other one out.
It was just the boy.
We'll just part the other one out.
Oh, did it just unscrew like the other one?
Yeah.
It literally just screwed right back in.
Are you ready?
Send it. Oh! Oh! Again. All right, one more because Cali Boy can't handle all the bugs. Oh, jeez. God damn it, Adam. Just fucking stop it. Oh! Adam kicked me out of the car room, so now me and Jimmy are blowing up air mattresses. We just went to Target. I spent $80 on an air mattress, a new pillow, and a blanket. But I'm gonna be sleeping good tonight. I'm looking forward to it.
We're gonna sleep on camp.
Dude, meanwhile in the other room, we got the Motion Auto boys just setting up camp in here. I got the sheets, I got the little extra padding, the nice thing. We got the ceiling fan. I got my personal pillow from home, the one that just... See, that's where driving comes in a good play. You get to bring your own pillow. I didn't have that luxury. Wow, you're just fucking ready to go.
Here we go.
Is this
You're breezy.
Tommyfyeah spec breezy?
That's FS, I mean, you don't get the titanium glass.
Yeah, I didn't spring for that.
But let's see it.
Oh, where's the...
Ooh, better than Outback.
This is the Fyeah spec.
Better than Outback.
Yeah, yours isn't mixing well. But
But it looks cool. So it's a bonus. Alright, well I got the whole bed set up. I need to start editing this video because if I don't, I'm not gonna do it and the video's gonna be out late. So on that note, I'm trying to end my video right now.
look at his bougie ass mattress compared to everyone else's. Bougie.
I just got a little lift on mine, baby. Got a little height off the ground. I don't wanna be sleeping on the carpet.
I'm the peasant here.
How much was yours? How much was yours?
Free?
$48.
Oh, I think you got a great deal.
Hey, you're on that bed that you're on. I was sleeping in that this morning.
That's disgusting. Now I feel weird.
Well, then you want to switch? On that note, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Gotta do it for the video. All right, Calvin. Imagine I'm Emily. Hey, Calvin. Hey, oh, I was kidding, man. I was kidding. There is no sippy action going on in this car.